Hi everybody. This presentation is in English. If you want the French version, ask for it in the comments. In this presentation, I will introduce you the concepts of lists in Python. So let's get started. The first topic of this presentation is introduction to lists. The second is creating lists. The third is accessing list elements. The fourth is modifying list. The fifth, common list method. The sixth, iterating through a list. The seventh, multidimensional lists. The eighth and last, conclusion. First, share and subscribe. The first topic, introduction to lists. A list in Python is an ordered collection of elements, which can be of different types like integers, strings, floats, or even other lists. Lists are mutable, meaning you can add, remove, and modify elements after their creation. A list in Python allows duplicate elements. They are incredibly useful for various programming tasks, from simple data storage to complex algorithms. Creating a list. You can create a list in Python by enclosing a comma-separated sequence of values within square brackets. For example, fruits equal square brackets, apple, banana, orange, grape. Accessing list elements. List elements are accessed using zero-based indexing. You can retrieve an element by specifying its index within square brackets. First example, first fruit equal fruit of 0 retrieves the first element apple. Second fruit equal fruit of 1 retrieves the second element banana. Negative indexing is also supported, allowing you to count elements from the end of the list. Last fruits equal fruits of minus 1 retrieves the last element grape. Fourth topic, modifying list. Lists are mutable, meaning changeable. You can modify their elements after creation. You can change, add, or remove elements using various methods. First, changing elements. To change the value of an element at a specific index, simply assign a new value to that index. For example, fruits of 2 equal p. Change the third element to p. Second, adding elements to lists. You can add element to the end of a list using the append method. Fruits.append watermelon adds watermelon to the end of the list. To insert an element at a specific index, you can use the insert method. For example, fruits.insert one kiwi, insert kiwi at index 1. Removing elements. To remove an element by its value, you can use the remove method. For example, fruits.remove banana removes the element banana. To remove an element at a specific index, you can use the pop method. For example, remove fruit equal fruits.pop2 removes and returns the element at index 2. Fifth topic, common list methods. Python provides several operations that can be performed on lists. Concatenation. You can concatenate two or more lists using the plus operator. Repetition. You can repeat a list using the star operator. And slicing. You can extract a portion of a list using slicing. Example. Combined fruits equal fruits plus mango pineapple. Repeated fruits equal fruits star 3. Sliced fruits equal fruits 1 to 3. Retrieves element from index 1 to 2. Python provides also a variety of methods to manipulate lists. Len returns the number of elements in a list. Sort sorts the elements in ascending order. Reverses the order of elements. Index returns the index of the first occurrence of a value. Count returns the number of occurrences of a value. Let's try these methods. Length equal len of fruits gives 4. Fruits dot sort return apple, banana, grape, orange. If you reverse this list, we have orange, grape, banana, apple. Index of orange in this list, index equal fruits dot index of orange, return 0. Occurrences of apple in the list, return 1. Sixth topic, iterating through lists. You can use loops to iterate through the elements of a list. For fruit in fruits, print fruit gives apple, banana, orange, grape. Topic 7, multi-dimensional lists. Lists can also contain other lists, creating a multi-dimensional or nested list structure. This is useful for representing grids, matrices, and more complex data. Example, matrix equal a list made up of 3 lists. How to access element? Accessing element in a multi-dimensional list involves using nested indexing. Element equal matrix of 1, 2 retrieves the element in the second row and third column, the value 6. Last topic, conclusion. Lists are a fundamental building block in Python, allowing you to organize, store, and manipulate collections of data efficiently. Understanding how to create, access, modify, and iterate through lists is essential for effective programming and data manipulation. I hope that has been clear, and now you have a better understanding of lists in Python. Thanks for following.